Hub. Today we're talking about the 2025 Nissan GTR, the final chapter of a legend that changed the game for Japanese performance cars. The 2025 GTR marks the end of the R35 generation. After nearly 2 decades of dominance, Nissan is sending it off with limited production. Only about 1,500 units are being built globally, including around 300 high-performance Nismo versions. This is it, the last dance. Under the hood is the same beast we know and love, a hand-built 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, making 565 horsepower in the standard version and 600 horsepower in the Nismo. The engine is brutal, the launch is insane, and the all-wheel drive grip still feels like it's cheating physics. But Nissan didn't just slap a badge on it and call it a day. The 2025 model includes special edition parts taken from Nismo's top-tier builds, stronger internals, custom badges, and even a unique Blue Heaven interior trim that sets it apart from every GTR before it. By February 2025, Nissan closed the order books in Japan. In the United States, sales ended in late 2024. This car is now a collector's item. And what's next? Nissan isn't done with the GTR legacy. The future is already being planned. A new generation is on the horizon. It's expected to be a plug-in hybrid with a twin-turbo V6, possibly launching around 2030. There's even talk of a fully electric concept, but the spirit of Godzilla will remain. The 2025 GTR isn't just a car. It's a farewell, a salute to the monster that redefined what a Japanese supercar could be. Thanks for watching Car Hub. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Will you miss the R35? Or are you ready for the next evolution of the GTR?